June 11th, 2024. And it's 61 degrees. And it's humid. What's new? Okay, this is a makeup video. I'm on my way to the prison job. And then, you know, just a normal day. A normal day for me. Okay, what am I going to talk about today makeup wise? Well, I've got the Trendmood Box that I ordered. I didn't bring the box, I just threw everything in a bag. So I'll show you what I received in that box. For those of you that don't know, Trendmood is an Instagrammer. She is the one you get most of the new makeup information from. There's others, but she, I think, was the first one and the one that, you know, went viral. And she now has a relationship with all the brands, so she pretty much follows what the brands say. So you might get something that maybe hadn't been released yet. You might find out on somebody else's site, but for hers, I think most of the time now, she's not releasing something that she's not been told that it's okay, as far as news. So anyway, she decided to come out with this box, I guess with her contacts, that is not a subscription box, but she, you know, puts the box together, and she releases one, you know, 3 or 4 times a year, maybe more than that. You never know. You just have to follow her and then her Trendmood Box page on Instagram, and then you'll kind of know when it's going to release. Now, she always tells you what's in the box, so you're not surprised. But you know, even though you might notice, you might miss a day and not know what's in there. The box depends on the products that are in there. This box was $42 plus tax. So, and I'm not fooling with down there. I'm just going to the annex, to the flashing light. So I like it because it's a little shaded up here. Now I don't park here. When I come back from lunch, I don't usually park up here if I can find a place closer. But this does give me a good walk of the morning and then back. And I know somebody was talking about yesterday, why did you go take a walk? Why did you go take a walk? Why did you go take a walk? And I'm like, how do you know I don't go take a walk? I mean, I average 3 to 5 miles a day. I do a workout of walking when I get home, once I get my mom settled. And, you know, and then it keeps me awake because I get all this energy, but I'm still trying to, you know, try to go to sleep. Then I end up not going to sleep till midnight. But that's the only time I have to do it. But I do it. And I just get tired of people thinking that just because I'm overweight or obese or whatever they want to call me, that they think I don't do anything. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. All right. Now, cutting that air off. It's a little chilly right now. So let's talk about the box again. Like I said, it's $42 plus tax. And you usually get some pretty nice products. And, you know, like the last one before this one, I didn't buy because I didn't see anything that really excited me. This one, a couple of things excited me. So for the price, I felt, well, it's worth it because then I'll get some extra stuff too. The first thing we got here is this Viticus Boost Hydrogel Patches. It's got B12 and green caffeine. You put it on your wrist. I think I'm going to try these today since I've got them with me. It says extended release, no parabens or latex. We'll see if I feel any different. I don't have any idea what these cost, but, you know, it's just something else to try out. Okay. Here we've got the Shake SPF Mineral Milk Vacation Sunscreen. Now, if you don't know about the Vacation brand, they're the ones that they have a fragrance. They first started with a fragrance that smelled like, you know, basically sunscreen. Now, some people don't like the scent. I do. I like it. Oh, there's a little lightning bug. But you can't light right now. Somebody asked me, did we still have them? Or fireflies, whatever you want to call them. We do. We do. Okay, this is mineral, but it's not got any tint to it. So you're going to get a white cast. I have already tried this on my face. And the only way I could wear it would be if I mixed in, well, I'm not going to say I would. I could wear it on the weekends or whatever, not care, but, or at the beach. I love the way it smells. You know, it smells not so much sunscreen smell, but just, it has a nice scent to it, fresh. Okay, this has zinc oxide. It has 20.5%, which is kind of high. That's probably why you're getting a white cast. You know, as I've said before, percentage of sunscreen has nothing to do with the coverage. It has to do with the formula. So this I do like. Now they have they also come out with they brought back the old Bang de Soel scent. Now, I think you can still get that Bang de Soel, but maybe they're just old. I've seen them on Amazon, I believe. Can't remember the price, but and that was all I used. And I mean, it was always SPF 4 for years. If I was outside, that was all I used. But I liked it more for the oil and gel consistency and the scent than the SPF. Back in those days, I could care less. I was never one that totally, I might burn really bad if the wind's blowing the first time, but after that, I'm not the type that burns. I was blessed. Okay, this is the Tony Moly Blackberry Jelly Lip Melt. And there was another one that I forgot I had tried. I think it was the watermelon one. These are nothing special. I'm just going to be real with you. I might give that to somebody. I mean, they're fine, but, I wouldn't go out and purchase one. Okay, this is the JVN Complete Nourish and Shine Drops for your hair. So let's try those out right now. I know in this lighting it's hard to tell what my hair looks like as far as shine. It's kind of a clean scent. Nothing. I think these sell pretty well on Sephora. They're nothing compared to the Moroccan oil or the Colleen Rothschild. I'm just going to be real with you. No. I would rather use the Moroccan oil or Colleen Rothschild. If I'm going to buy a bougie oil, let's put it that way. Okay, this is the Pick Me Up Volume Mascara. I'm not sure. It's from M Cosmetics. Now, M Cosmetics was started by... what's her name? The one that was so popular back in the 2000s when we first started seeing beauty channels. The Asian girl. I can't remember her name. Anyway, I'll put it down below. Well, I can't get it out. I hate when you have to tear up the daggone box. Anyway, I don't have no mascara on today, but I'm not going to try this one today. Let's just see what it looks like. I think this is supposed to be Joopin, if I remember right. This was made in Korea. No, there's not much of a scent. I mean, there's a little bit of a scent, but anyway, this is the brush. It's a, not a regular type brush, silicone type brush. I'll try it later. I just don't want to try it today because I just am not in the mood for mascara right now. I'm just being real. Okay, this is the Soft Services Clearing Mist Medicated Breakout Toner. It's got zinc with salicylic acid. Now, I don't have that many I mean, I do occasionally have a breakout. I'm not going to say I don't. But since we don't have to wear a mask anymore, I don't have near as many. Now, there was a spray nozzle that come with this. It smells very green and medicated. I'm trying to think what it smells like. Pickles, to be honest with you. That's what it smells like. It smells like pickles. I don't know if you want a toner that smells like pickles, but that's what that smells like. All right. Before we get to I guess the star, whatever. This is the e.l.f. bronzing drops. Now, this probably would work well with that sunscreen. So that's what I'll do. I'll try these together and tell you what I think. Okay, this is the Natasha Denona Valentine's exclusive Mini Crush eyeshadow palette. Now, this is one I didn't have. These are the 5 pans from Natasha Denona, which you know Natasha Denona is one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. It is pricey, but I think it's worth it. This is what it looks like. We'll swatch it. And I don't try to make them look better than what they really are. They just are what they are. Anyway, there you go. And I know that camera's not, well, I always have trouble showing you. Let's see. Can you see it that way? All right, there you go. All right, now we'll talk bras, some more bras. Okay, some of you answered me about the bras. And I did list the ones down below in my description box, and I'm sure some people didn't see them, about what I had tried. Now, I'm going to tell you, I lean toward more the Bali. Well, I'll just be honest with you. I love the Soma bras. I do. I think they are great. It's just that I didn't get the one. I didn't get the fit. Like I said, after about a month, it stretches out. It won't stay down and drives me crazy. That's the first bra that I've ever had to do that. And there's another one that I have from a different brand. It's one of those, I don't think it's that Under Outfit brand that looks a lot like Soma bras, but it's another one maybe that was advertised on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook somewhere that I ordered, and it won't stay down. There's something about this side of here that I don't know. Anyway, I do love those bras, but I'm wondering, should I size down? I hate to order, and I hate to send stuff back. I do. I despise it. And I'm so bad to buy something and not send it back if it don't work. But I ordered another Bali bra yesterday that I believe is like the Bali bra I have on today, which I'll try to insert a picture here. I'm not showing you my bra. And then it was as close as I could see. Now, I do like this one. The only thing, as I'll say, is the straps get so stretchy that they lose their shape on me. Now, it may not happen to somebody else, but it does on me, and I find that I have to replace them quite often. I used to buy a Playtex bra at Walmart that was $11.97 or $12.97, but it was comfortable, and yes, I had to replace it, but I didn't mind replacing something that was, that price, versus this one is not too bad right now on Amazon. It's $19, so that's not too bad if you have to keep replacing, or if you can order several at a time. And I do have some, I have the true kind that I alternate. I still wear that Soma. It aggravates me. And I do wear this one, the Bali. And I've got 2 more that I'll switch around some. It's another Bali bra with the little circles on it. It's about the same style. I think this is called Modern Revolution or something like that. It's along those same lines. There's the kitty. I think that's a different kitty than the one over in that parking lot. Anyway, so that's where I'm at with the bras. I do not like, I don't know if I said this yesterday. I don't like sports bras to wear daily. They mash me flat. I don't want to be mashed flat all day because I do have problems with fibroid cyst in my breast, and that just, if I'm having any, it will irritate it even more, cause pain. I do not like bras I have to put over my head. Just never have. I'd rather have a hook and eye closure or either a front closure. Just, I know some people don't want those, but that's what I want. And that's about it. That's all I know what to tell you. I like beige bras and black bras. Don't like white. Don't like any other colors. I just want beige and black. All right, I gotta go. So I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a great day. Love you. Bye.